Dwayne, Phoenix Typewriter. We got this 1920-ish Royal that we're going to clean the case. Well, we're going to wash this. And I just want to see what kind of residue comes off this. There it is already. I just want to see just how much tobacco comes off this, or whatever this brown stuff is. And it does look like it's coming off here. Let's just do this a little more. A little rub. Tilt it up like this. Get the edges up here. Oops. Let's see what else comes off this thing. Pretty, getting pretty bad there, isn't it? That is pretty gunky. Look at that. It's just pouring off of here still. Well, that's why I drew this thing on the camera here real quick. Just was curious how much stuff is coming off of here. And it's still pouring off. What a mess. But when it gets done, it's going to look beautiful. Alright, I'm going to keep on this a little more. I will spare you the pain. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. PhoenixTypewriter.com. I'm out of here. I got to clean this mess up. Good day.